Apple's iOS operating system, which currently drives the iPhone, the iPad, and the iPod Touch, is a true market leader. Not only is iOS credited with breaking new ground, it is by far the most used mobile OS in North America, as shown by the net averages graphic. iOS is composed of 5 basic levels of technology. For the most part, mobile application developers are only concerned with the uppermost layer, Cocoa Touch, but I think it's a good idea to get an overview of the entire iOS structure so you better understand how it all fits together. At the lowest level is a mobile-specific version of the Mach kernel, originally developed for Carnegie Mellon University and now used by Mac OS X. The core OS, as you might expect from the name, handles the basic operations including file management, security, and interfacing with accessories. The Accelerate framework is used to calculate complex math calculations or image manipulation. The core services layer includes numerous high-level features to support in-app purchase, the SQLite database engine, and XML. There are also frameworks for address book, location, calendar, and telephony, among other services. The iPhone is definitely a graphics-intensive device, and iOS offers the technological underpinnings to support it in the media layer. Besides support for graphics, audio, and video technologies, there are specific frameworks for OpenGL, the drawing engine, Quartz for animation, as well as MIDI, text, and asset management. As I mentioned, Cocoa Touch is the primary layer used by app developers to set up event-driven graphical applications. You can access APIs that control multitasking, printing, encryption, notification, and gestures. And that's just the start. You'll find a tremendous resource for developing mobile apps from top to bottom on the Apple Developer site, including an excellent user experience guide. After you've used Dreamweaver to create and debug your mobile application, you'll need to visit the iOS Development Guide and follow the instructions found under Distributing Applications to find out how to submit your work for the App Store. I hope you've gotten a better understanding of how iOS is structured. It's a pretty complex system, but luckily, Dreamweaver's mobile app tools help to flatten the learning curve and get you up and running faster.